Everybody, welcome back to another video about Vechain, guys. This video is very important for all of you because in a nowadays, in a right now situation, the crypto market is completely going wrong. So a lot of people are worrying about the profit because everybody are in a right now situation are going in the lows, guys. So in this video we are only discuss Vechain. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now right now for more news and updates videos. Now guys, if you look the latest price of a region in the market, so 0.114989 USD dollar, that is the currently live and latest price of a region and the market. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the price changes of a region, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, last one day, last 1 week price changes occur in the region is completely negative. I mean, from from last week the region price is going in the dumps, decrease, price falls down. And still guys, now in the right now situation, I mean the last 60-minute update is positive, but if you look the last 24 hours, last 1 week, so these changes is negative. Now guys, let me show you the price chart of a VeChain. You can see here guys, very badly the price of a VeChain decrease, and that is really a shock news for everybody. That is a quick fast of VeChain, guys. Not only occur in the VeChain cryptocurrencies, Cardano, Dogecoin, and some more XRP. These all coin is falls down like that. They same like that falls down occur in this coin. Anyways, guys, what you think about VeChain? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos about VeChain.